Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to subtract shapes in Photoshop or minus shape. Okay, first of all, create a new document and create a new shape, rectangle, rounded rectangle, ellipse as you wish. Example, I use click and draw your mouse, then click again shape, right click this icon, select subtract font shape. Okay, then you subtract any shape size as you wish. First of all is rectangle size. Okay. Secondly, again. Okay. And another way, select the pen tool. Pen tool use path selection. Then click use subtract font. Then select your subtract. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.